Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called kitting. Kitting is an inventory technique where individual but related products are packaged and shipped together as a single bundle to the customer. For example, one form of kitting that has taken off in the recent years is the idea of subscription boxes. Rather than 7 different manufacturers selling their product individually, subscription box services kit them into one package to sell. For example, instead of 7 roasters all trained to sell coffee, they work together to create best coffee subscription that ships a single box monthly. This increases the value and increases the sales for all the individual item. Kitting means in logistic, let us see. Kitting in logistic is an act of compiling multiple product into a single kit that is shipped to a customer. Businesses and logistic company can streamline the shipment process, lower shipping costs and fulfill orders more quickly by using kitting. This also makes tracking shipment easier and improves the customer satisfaction. For example, if you have ever ordered multiple products on Amazon from different vendors, you have likely to seen logistic kitting in action. The products are all collected with a shipping team and assembled into a few packages as possible before shipping. In the traditional model, each product would be shipped separately and both the cost to the customer and the logistic company would have increased. Kitting means in the warehouse environment is a physical act of finding multiple SKUs, bundling them into a single package and creating a new SKU for that package before shipping. This involves warehouse workers picking multiple products and bringing them to an assembly area where they are packed together and shipped. Kitting services means it refers to kitting that is performed by a third-party fulfillment companies, for example 3PL. Many businesses contract 3PL companies to use kitting to keep fulfillment costs low and ensure customers receive as few packages as needed. It is also used in manufacturing where the third party assembles the product for the customer. In-house assembly is often very cost prohibitive for smaller businesses, so using kitting services keeps cost low and frees up the retailer to focus on selling products. In operations, the kitting is full scope of activity involved in the product kitting process. This includes receiving the order, picking the products, assembling the kit, packing the kit, and also the shipping. Kitting operation requires special training and a streamlined warehouse layout. This ensures you save money while optimizing your fulfillment process. Also, we see some kind of a postponement or delayed differentiation, which we will see in other session, will be helpful by using this kind of a kitting operation, and it could speed up the operations, especially in the DC or warehouse environment. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you.